Here I am, I'm Marta, I'm the office manager and I work here about 1 year. Yes, it's my first birthday in CoreView. I find this job on LinkedIn and I'm so happy because I needed to change my work. Because it's a new reality, it's an Italian reality, and it's a new job with a new idea. It's not a typical day because every day we need something new. We have many issues, many problems, many things, many requests, and this is what I like about my job because it's not the same every day. I have a little dragon and it's printed with our 3D printer, my agenda because I need to write on the paper, and my pencil with a different color. It's a wonderful place with wonderful people and young people. All are so kind with many new ideas, and it's so great to stay here. Oh, many things. The training and the organization for the Christmas party or everything, because every day is different. It's everything different. For the boss, because I'm a beautiful person and all the other colleagues are in the same mood. And it's just a little house. It's not only job. My favorite office tradition is play with the football table all together because it's a so funny moment for relaxing and stay at the office. Problem solving, yes, absolutely, and about the wellness inside to the office with the food, with special thing, with the attention for every people. I'm so proud about my job because all the colleagues are so happy to stay at the office and to eat in the same time for the lunch or for a little coffee break.